Hello and welcome. The Google Doodle honored Dr. Frank Kameny on 2nd June. Dr. Frank Kameny was an American astronomer, World War II veteran, and a gay rights activist. The Google Doodle paid tribute to him as the world celebrates the Pride Month in June. The Pride Month is celebrated to show solidarity with the members of LGBT community and for the equal rights in the society. June is celebrated as the Pride Month every year in the memory of Stonewall Uprising in USA. In June 1969, the New York police raided Stonewall Inn, which was a popular gathering place for LGBT people. The violent police raids gave rise to the uprising by various lesbian and gay communities, eventually leading to the gay liberation movement in America. Dr. Frank Kameny was one of the most prominent figures of this movement. He created one of the first gay rights advocacy groups in the USA even before Stonewall Uprising. Born in 1925 in New York, Kameny graduated from Harvard University with both a master's degree and doctorate in astronomy. In 1957, Dr. Frank Kameny joined the US Army. However, he was fired just few months after joining because of his homosexuality. He challenged his dismissal all the way to the Supreme Court. He organized first gay rights protests outside the White House in 1965 and later at the Pentagon. In the early 1970s, he successfully challenged the American Psychiatric Association's classification of homosexuality as a mental disorder. In 1979, Kameny became the first openly gay candidate for the US Congress. He created the Gay and Lesbian Alliance of Washington, an organization which lobbies with government for equal rights. The landmark judgment of 1975 by the American Civil Services Commission to allow LGBT employees in the US government jobs was a direct result of Dr. Frank Kameny's efforts and struggles against the discriminatory policies of the government. Kameny died in 2011 at the age of 86. In the last years of his life, he was finally recognized for his work as a gay rights pioneer. In 2009, 50 years after his dismissal from the US Army, he received a formal apology from the US government. In 2010, a crossroad in Washington, D.C. was named Frank Kameny Way in his honor. In 2016, the Stonewall Inn was declared as a national monument by Barack Obama. The Google Doodle on 2nd June is a way of honoring Dr. Frank Kameny's struggle and spreading awareness about his legacy.